Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days. I've been telling you about the GreenStalk planters for a couple of years. I have 2 of them. Now I have 3. They've come out with a new planter and I'm going to show you what it is, but look at this. And in the back one I have strawberries. So we're going to be talking about my GreenStalks for a few minutes. This is my mini greenhouse and I've got 2 GreenStalks in there. And this one, you can see my lettuce is trying to bolt. But it's been in here for a while. My radishes are doing awesome. You see how pretty? They're doing great. Look at the chard. Really great. I've got a few strawberries up top that are starting to come out. A tomato that's hanging in there. It's getting warm enough, but it took a little bit of a cold. But look, the rest of it is looking awesome. I've got blooms on my strawberries. Look at this. I've got a strawberry over there. Y'all see that? Look at that, a strawberry. And blooms and stuff under there. It is doing awesome. I've got little strawberries in most of this one. There's one doing really good there. All around there, the strawberries are kicking it. Look up here. Strawberries. So I thought I'd show you what was going on with both my GreenStalks in the mini greenhouse, and we're going to go show you a new product that we got from GreenStalk and talk about a little bit of a sale. So GreenStalk's new planter, I got a base. Now the wheels just stick in and attach. You do have a lock on some so that you can lock them so they won't roll around, but it's made to roll wherever you need it. And it has a watering hole here. You have a pipe that sticks here like the old GreenStalks, and it drains into wherever you want it to drain. I like the roller base because with this I can roll it backwards and forwards and move it in there. Right now I have 2, so I can't move it. On the base, the first tier sits here. You put your watering tray here, and then you just stack it. But what I was going to show you, you see the difference. The difference between the old and the new. This is the old, this is the new. They're shorter and you get more. The old, you get 5 tiers and they're deeper pockets, and you get 6 times 5 is 30 plants. The new is 6 times 7. You get 7 tiers and you get 42 places to plant. So the more places to plant in a smaller area is why they came out with the new, and it's not much shorter, it's just a little shorter. Okay, so this is 5 tiers and this is 5 tiers. If we added the watering tray to the top here, you see the difference. This one's shorter than that one by 1 whole tier. But we have 2 more to go. You can see the difference between the old and the new. This one is about this much taller than the old one. You have 42 places to plant as opposed to 30. Great difference in planting in a vertical area. And the old GreenStalks, the older model, is on sale. EarlyBird sale. Check out the link in the description below. This is an affiliate link. I do make a small commission for my Crazy Days channel here. And guys, I didn't put any dirt in this because we're going to move it to the new patio when we get through. I rolled the new one out of the way so you can see this is looking great. This is done in January, and you see the radishes, the chard, the lettuce. It's all looking great here. So you can grow in a GreenStalk in a vertical area, in a small area. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.